Land Rover is a well-known automobile company that specializes in manufacturing four-wheelers. It comes under the brand Jaguar Land Rover, which in turn is an integral part of the Indian automobile company Tata Motors. Founded in 1948, over the years this company has expanded its horizons and come up with a number of popular four-wheel vehicles like Defender, Freelander, Discovery and different versions of Range Rover. History. The first Land Rover vehicle was designed by Maurice Wilks in 1948, when he worked as the chief designer for Rover Company. The design of the vehicle was largely influenced by a Jeep, and it was also named Center Steer. All these vehicles had axles and Jeep chassis. In 1967, Rover Company was taken over by Leyland Motor Corporation and got blended into one of its division. However, the continued popularity of the Land Rover and later Range Rover compelled the organization to create a separate establishment for these vehicles. This is how Land Rover came into being in the year 1978. Mergers and acquisitions. Though Land Rover was named as a separate establishment, it continued to be a part of the Rover Group that came under the British Leyland Motor Corporation. However, British Leyland was broken up into smaller pieces in 1988 and the Rover Group was given over to British Aerospace. In 1994, BMW took over the Rover Group. In 2006, they broke up this company and handed over Land Rover to Ford, another automobile manufacturer. In the year 2008, Ford Motors sold Land Rover and Jaguar to Tata Motors. Manufacturing units. The vehicles that fall under the Land Rover series are mainly manufactured at Solihull plant that is situated near Birmingham. However, there are other manufacturing units that help in assembly the latest models of vehicles. The various other places where you can find these manufacturing and assembling units are Liverpool, India, Spain, Iran, Turkey, China and Brazil. Popular models. Land Rover is known for some of the best vehicles that offer great mileage and impeccable performance. A few of these models which have gained a lot of popularity are Range Rover Classic, Defender, Freelander 2, Discovery Sport, Range Rover, Discovery 4, Range Rover Sport, Range Rover Epoch etc. Due to their sturdy build, these vehicles are highly sought after by the militia. Of course, these are slightly customized to meet their needs. The models that are popular among the militia are Land Rover 1 Ton FC, Land Rover Wolf, Snatch Land Rover 130 Defender Ambulance, Range Rover 6x6 Fire Appliance, Land Rover Perenti etc. These are used by the UK as well as Australian military forces. Owing to the popularity of their four-wheelers, Land Rover joined hands with Pashley Cycles in 1995 and came up with a new brand of bicycles called Land Rover APB. In 2004, they launched many other new models of bicycles and gave them the name of their popular four-wheelers, namely Discovery, Freelander and Defender. Now here are some of the models of Land Rover available in India. Do subscribe MOTOARC for more such videos.